Namaskar. Good morning to one and all. My name is Ajay Upadhyay. First of all, I would like to give my thanks to my mentor, sir, Deepak Sharma ji, who has given me the chance to take an active part in the activity which was conducted by him. The name of the activity is My Country, My Culture. And under this activity, the title which was given to my team is Abdul Kalam. Really, Abdul Kalam was born in 15th of October 1931. His full name was Abul Pakir Zainul Abidin Abdul Kalam.
He took his early education in his hometown Rameshwaram.
He is known as the Missile Man of India.
He got Padma Vibhushan.
Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was interested in writing and reading the books.
He got 3 PhD from his life.
If we talk about his parentage, then his father, Mr. Zainul Abidin, and his mother, Mrs. Ashima, both were uneducated and poor.
He had great innate from his parents.
During the First World War in his childhood, he collected a tamarind seed, but at that time he could not understand the demand of tamarind seed.
He got Padma Vibhushan.
He wrote his autobiographies and many books. The name of book is A Vision of India Youth.
He appointed a defense advisor in the defense ministry.
If we talk about his siblings, he had 3 brothers and 1 sister. All the siblings were living in the Pakka house at Moscow Street in Rameshwaram.
When he was 5th class, he was great influenced by his science teacher Shiv Subramaniam.
When he was to go for higher study in city, his mother did not want him to go. She began to weep, but Kalam father consoled his mother by telling the story of Khalil Gibran.
He also got highest civilian awards in India.
An inspirational book, My Journey Transforming Dreams into Actions, was written by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam.
He knows for well known about Wings of Fire.
The Second World War took place in 1939. At that time, Dr. Abul Pakir Zainul Abidin was only 8 years of age.
Once his science teacher said to him, Kalam, you have to break the social barriers so that people could come together from different backgrounds.
His real achievement came into the ISRO as a successful launching of SLV-3.
He was also 11th President of India.
He wrote a motivational book, Failure to Success.
He got his first PhD from IIT Madras.
If we talk about his friends, then in his childhood he had 3 intimate friends, Ramananda Shastri, Arvindan, Shiv Prakashan. In their later life, Ramananda Shastri became the high priest of Rameshwaram temple. Arvindan adopted the business of contractor and Shiv Prakashan was the catering in charge in Southern Railways.
He was bright and hard-working student.
He struggled very hard to make India a rich country in science and technology.
He got 7 awards of India.
He wrote A Spirit of India.
He got his second PhD from IIT Ahmedabad.
He wrote his autobiography named Wings of Fire. Usually, we see glimpses of his early childhood in his autobiography. Really, he was not only a missile man of India, but also he gave a new dimension for the countrymen. Really, the knowledge which was given by my team members will be beneficial for all the audience who are visiting or listening. So, thanks for listening. Namaskar.
Namaskar.